Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell stocks in Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will be needing first to go to the investing menu or page. So here in the toolbar or in the bottom toolbar, we will see the profile and there is this golden car of Robinhood. This is the crypto and this is the investing menu. And basically, to sell or buy, all you need to do first is to choose your stock. So let's suppose you want to have the Apple stock or any other stock that you would like to sell, or even crypto, for example. You will need simply to go and click on the stock. And as you can see, we can find all these informations about the stock. So you can see here the charts of the stock, so the performance of the stock, and down we will see the statistics. And basically, you can see the volume of these stock and their market cap, etc. And you can also see the news, so you can learn more about the stock if you want to buy or sell. And simply, all you need to do now is just to click on the trade. And basically, when clicking on trade, you will have three options that will appear here. There will be the sell option, the buy option, and there will be some other trade options. So basically, to sell, you will need simply to click on sell. After that, you add the amount that you want to sell and the price that you want to sell. So basically, you just fill in the forms that will appear here in the center. And after that, you confirm and you will be able to sell your stocks. So basically, this is how you can sell on Robinhood. Thank you for watching and see you next time.